like sweet, sweet, sweet jam.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. My name is Marijane Manuel. And please do subscribe for more videos and mga ka-char-char. Well, I want to show you, I ordered from an online. Wait, I will check what is the name of the online. I ordered an camera. So I will show you. Okay. I will unbox. The name of the online shop is Smart Deals Online. So, I will show you. I will unbox this camera in front of you guys. And I'm afraid to open it. Why? Because I cannot feel anything here inside. So, hopefully, it's good condition. And I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what I feel. I'm happy to have a camera, but I don't know. They said that this is a brand new camera and a Bluetooth camera. So I will show you. Let's open this. See guys, before we open this plastic, X-ray Aramex Security, delivered by Aramex, and they said that X-ray Security. Nalok ako. Dito, tinignan ko dito sa buntot niya, sa baba niya, nandito pala siya. Mga ka-charing. I didn't expect anything on this. Really. Oh my god, it's look like, I don't know. SLR camera, HD video cam. 16 MP max. Ay talaga, praning. Hindi ko pa tinanggal to. Pinapahirapan ko talaga yung sarili ko, guys. Kasi parang ang gaan-gaan niya. So, kaya po ako nag-i-English so that they can understand. Para maintindihan nung mga pinag-orderan ko. Kasi, itong video ko na ito, mga ka-char-char, isi-send ko sa kanila ito, mga ka-char-char. Itong pag-unboxing ko sa order ko sa kanila, mga ka-char-char, they said that this is a brand new and original. So, can we check it? Ang sarap pindut-pindutin ganun, oh. Ito yata yung binili ko ng 300 real, ay 400 real, mga ka-char-char. Ito yata yung binili ko ng 400 real. For AA battery. Lithium ion battery pack, power source. 2.4 inches LCD, 1280 by 720 recording, electronic image establisher, full HP 720p 720, HD photo TV, infrared. Yun yung model niya, mga ka-charger. High definition, 16 MP max. CMOS sensor, 720. Let's check it. 16 megapixel sensor max, 2.4 inches TFT LCD screen, pixel to 320 by 240, USB mini port, video format AVI, video resolution 1920 by 1080 or 1280 by 720, Vega 640 by 480, photo format JPEG. Alam niyo yun? JPEG. Yun, tinamad na. Photo resolution. Ayan siya. Yun. While balance, explore, resolution, audio recorder, microphone, auto power off, function, digital zoom, by 16, multi-language menu, webcam function, 4 na 4 by AA battery, internal memory storage media built-in, 64 MB plus memory. Oh my God! Parang ayaw kong buksan kasi baka hindi siya good condition, mapapahiya ako sa inyo mga ka-char-char. So, that's the picture. Hopefully, this is a good condition. Hopefully, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ito yung papel niya. This is her, yung function niya. Diyos ko, parang ayaw kong tignan. Ito yung cord niya, mga ka-char-char. Hindi ko siya matatry ngayon kasi wala naman po akong battery. Ito siya. Wala naman po tayong battery. Wala po tayong battery, mga ka-char-char. Hindi po sila nagbigay ng giveaway para matry natin. Kasi ngayon, snap, zoom in, zoom out, power, mode up, playback, or menu down. Ganun lang siya. Ang gusto ko, yung may, LED play, SD card, slot USB lens. Alam nyo mga ka-char-char, hindi ako happy. Why? Because, parang, yung hinahanap ko kasi, yung meron siyang Bluetooth. Yung sana, Bluetooth camera, mga ka-char-char. So, kung nananawagan po ako, mga ka-char-char, kung sino po man ang merong neto, please po, paturo po akong gamitin nito. Kasi gusto ko may Bluetooth siya, and I don't know if this is have a Bluetooth or what. So please help me guys. Please PM me or make a message, send me a message on my Facebook page so that I know what to do, or you teach me what to do. Ayan mga ka-char-char. So ayan po, naka-English naman do. Kaloka. So I don't know if this is a good if this is a good condition, and I thought this is a brand new. Hope so, this is a brand new. But as well, thank you so much for sending me this one. So that's all mga ka-char-char. Sana magamit natin yan soon. Ayan mga ka-char-char. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please hit the bell button below. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. See you on my next vlog.